家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello there, I am Joseph Lin, and time for another Hakka song on ICRT. We got the music of Huang Zhenxing here, and a song called Englishman in Shigang, or 英国人在石冈. Very interesting story, because Huang Zhenxing is a Taichung native, and he sings about a story of a woman falling in love with a guy from England on the internet, and she invites her to come to Taichung to visit her at Shigang. Well, let's take a listen to this very romantic tune, Englishman in Shigang.
旧日概念带到英国，为了寻找新的概念，万里迢迢来到台湾，全的三分嘅地方，人人地球苗路心态，牛郎织女50年，缘分一到有情有义，来嘅连理，反而叫我1000年。哦 ，Englishman in Shigang。头路上卖朋友 Englishman in Shigang 平平凡凡在天中 Englishman in Shigang 马的野界新的故乡苗路时代，牛郎织女50年，缘分一到有情有义，来嘅连理，反而叫我1000年。哦 ，Englishman in Shigang。
Englishman in Shigang 就是台中的石冈，有个英国人来到这里了。为什么呢？因为黄振兴写了一段女子在网络上认识到英国男子的爱情故事，邀请他到台中石冈来找他，寻找他的爱，非常浪漫，非常有趣，而且用非常轻松愉快的一个节奏呢，来带出这个爱情故事，真的是爱情无国界啊 ！It's an international love between England and Taiwan, brought to you by 黄振兴 again called 英国人在石冈 Englishman in Shigang. Hope you liked it. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.